Hi ladies and gentlemen, and Krzysztof the Polish Geek welcomes you to another video in the Nature Adventure series. And this time I'm about to show you the place that I actually did show you already before, which is Zalew Pond. A pond like 15-minute walk away from my house. A really nice pond, but what will make it different this time is that this time I'm gonna show it to you in the winter, which is gonna be quite different when I first showed you. I first showed you all the way back in 2023 actually, and it was spring back then, like April I believe, but whatever, it was like early spring. Now it's full icy winter. So let's go to Zalew Pond. It's like only 5-minute walk at this point. See where the car is going? That's the street that will lead us to Zalew Pond. I haven't shown you that part before, but now I am. And across you can see some houses. So yes, let's go there, and I'm about to show you Zalew Pond in the winter. And now we are almost at Zalew Pond. Let's go. And there we are. This is Zalew Pond in the winter, and you see it's all frozen up, and as you see there is even a guy walking on the ice, although I probably would recommend it. It's not really safe, but whatever, his choice. There are actually people over there as well, but you see this is Zalew Pond in the winter, and it's all frozen up, and you can see even people over there walking. Maybe we can actually try as well, but yes, Zalew Pond in the winter, all frozen up. Oh, and you can have some information about it here. Here it is in English actually, so read it. It's a very helpful information actually. Oh, actually, it's not even in English called a pond, it's called bay, so yeah. But again, see Zalew Pond all completely frozen. Oh, and there are even ducks today. And here the water is not frozen. But you see ducks. How many? Wow, that's a huge quantity of ducks. Wow. Well, let's take a little bit of walk on the ice actually, as you see people are doing that. So let's take a walk on the ice. Yes, walking all over the frozen Zalew Pond or Zalew Bay, whatever. This is amazing. And now you can see Zalew Pond from the other side. Again, still completely frozen. Well everyone, that concludes another video in the Nature Adventure series. Again, that's a place you've seen before, but this time in a very different incarnation, because again, the first time back in 2023, that was in the spring when it was all green and water. Now again, it's completely frozen. So yes, same place but in an entirely different form. So again, that concludes. I mean, you probably seen this place before if you watch me on YouTube, although the video didn't get that many views, so I don't know. But again, thank you all of you for checking out this video. Press the like button, please subscribe to this channel. So that concludes another video in the Nature Adventure series, and Talk to you soon. Bye.